Welcome to the new house. So I'm walking through the garage and it starts right here with just a, oh, what do you call these? Half bath right here. So that's great. We have a downstairs bath for the kids. And then this is the hallway into the living area. But off to the right here, this is gonna be my beautiful scrap room area. So it is quite small, but that's okay because if you can remember, I was in a little tiny area. So this is bigger than what I have. I'm gonna put a nice shelving unit there. My desk's probably gonna go here. And then I'll put, sorry if I'm making you dizzy, some storage on this side. So perfect. It's got a door, I can keep the kids out if I need to. Then you're welcomed into our living area. And we have a beautiful fireplace that our TV will go on top of. And our couches. Beautiful lookout into the outside area there. Turns into our kitchen. So a dining room table is going to go right there. And our kitchen, and my kids are already running around upstairs. And then it goes into this little family area. And the kids' little play area is going to go right here. I'm going to put their little thing here. And there's that. It's huge vaulted ceilings, which is lovely. Don't push on that, please. And there's our front door. Closet. And then up the stairs. So I walk up the stairs and you either get to go to the right or to the left. So we'll start with the left. There's this lovely hallway right here. The only thing that scares me is this ledge because it is on me about hip high, which is jumping level for Jackson. So that scares me, but we'll find something. And then this gigantic bedroom, beautiful, beautiful bedroom, is going to be Nora and the baby's room. So I love it. It's going to be able to fit both beds and a dresser, and then their view outside will be, it's super sunny outside. There you go. So not the best view, but they've got outside the back door, the backyard. So, and we do have a very busy street right there, but we'll get used to that. And then there's a lovely closet, so all their stuff can fit in, as well as the dresser that they're in. That's gonna be their room. And then again, you come out here, and it does have a really nice view into the family area where you can see Jackson. Nora is here. She's off playing somewhere, hiding. So you can see everything there. And you're gonna walk in, and then this is going to be the master suite. And perfect space. I've been told you can fit a king-size bed in here, which makes sense to me. So there's that. A beautiful little like bench seat there, and again, looking at the backyard. So love that. It then goes into our master bath. So one sink, which is fine. Sean and I have no issue sharing a sink. We've never run into an issue with that. And then a beautiful shower. And my favorite part of the entire house is this bath. So super excited about this. And I like the way it all looks. It's clean and decent and whatever. The walls, I wish had been painted, but we'll go with it. Okay, and then off to this side here is our walk-in closet. And it's got plenty of space, up storage for stuff that Sean can reach and I can't, I don't know. And then his dresser is gonna go right here as well. So that is our lovely bedroom. And I do love these double doors. I think that's pretty fun. And then again, like I said, you could also face towards back down the stairs or come this way. And this is just our washer and dryer area. There's some shelves already, lots of storage. Or on this side is the other bathroom. So eventually for the kids, like I said, there's a little trick going on, so I'll explain that to you. And then you come in here and there's two other bedrooms. So this one, Jackson has decided he would like, and their view is just out to the front there and into the neighbors and all of that. And then it turns, and again, a closet. This is obviously smaller than the baby in Nora's room, but it's fine. He likes it. It's what he wanted. And this is the second bedroom, exact same size, same layout, it's just the opposite, so flipped. And there is a cupboard and all of that closet. So the trick to everything is, my mother-in-law is moving in with us for a while. So eventually this will either become Nora or the baby's room down the road. For now, it's gonna be my mother-in-law's, and she gets the bathroom. She's also, of course, we're not mean. She is gonna get this front area out here where the kids are playing right now, and that's fine with us. We're gonna make do. We're still super excited about the house, and I hope you enjoy my little walkthrough, and I will share with you my scrap room as soon as I have it all set up. Bye everyone, say bye.
Bye.